Hey, welcome back, I'm sure you're aware of the month of March has 31 days. That means we get an extra day this month. How can we make the most of that? That's part of our Motivation Monday. Leadership trainer, public speaker, and author Pete Blank joins us now here to explain that with some ideas. By the way, you know why people are so exhausted when they get to April Fool's Day?
Why?
Because they just had a march of 31 days. Anyway, but this is about one of the months that has that extra day.
Well, you know, I've got people who are saying this. Yeah, I can't believe April's almost here. I can't. You know, the months are flying by, and I started thinking, well, March is one of those months that we get an extra day. Like, I mean, 8 months have an extra day,
right,
but we don't even say I get. So what can we do with this? So I even brought extra little
gum.
Extra gum for everybody.
Wow.
So Mickey,
yeah,
extra gum. Destiny, extra gum, because it's extra. Extra!
Let's try not to destroy the extra cameras though with our gum prop. But no, I like this though. Yeah.
The idea is, if you got an extra day,
yeah,
what can we do with it?
Okay.
So I got some ideas.
All right.
So tomorrow we have an extra day. We have the 31st. Number one, what extracurricular activities did you do in high school?
Well, it was mostly
play sports.
Sports.
You were an athlete.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Played all
you don't have time for much else.
I know. So what can you do tomorrow with your extra day, like around an extracurricular activity? Can you take a painting class tomorrow? Can you go do one of those things where you get friends together and play pickleball? There's, you know, we talk about extracurricular activities in school, but do we as adults take time to do an extracurricular activity? So we can start that tomorrow.
And because I was so busy with those extracurricular activities, to get my academics there, anytime a teacher offered extra credit, I took advantage of that.
I see where you were going, extra credit. So a lot of times that's what we're saying. How can we get the extra credit? I want tomorrow y'all to think about, how can I give extra credit to somebody?
Okay.
Can I compliment somebody? I should write a thank you note that I haven't written in a long time. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should, you know, recognize a coworker or something. So give someone else extra credit tomorrow on the extra day.
I want to recognize, for the record, all of my colleagues and coworkers here on Good Day Alabama.
Nice job. Good job, team.
You're doing a great job.
Did you hear that, Janice?
To all of you there.
Good job. Thank you.
Room, traffic, weather, Janice.
We're paying zero attention to
all
you.
Of you.
So,
right,
moving on.
Off track
yes, sorry.
Because we want to take it now to the next level.
Well, yeah, that's how you go the extra mile.
Okay.
So again, when you think about, am I adding enough value to my life? Am I doing enough things? What's that little extra mile thing you can do? Again, bring in gum for your coworkers. I know that you've got a board out there where you can leave good comments for your coworkers.
That is true.
Can you prepay for somebody's gas? Can you get somebody in line in front of you and say, I want to pay it forward? So going the extra mile tomorrow, just being a better person to humanity.
I think that's a great message too, because you know sometimes you miss opportunities that you don't realize it till you move past it. Like, oh, I could have helped that person.
Could have helped
whatever.
that person.
You just weren't. You're so caught up in your own issues that you don't think, there's so many other people.
You got your blinders on.
They might need a little something, right?
100%. So if we've got an extra day tomorrow, it's not about you.
Right.
What can I do? I want to go out and give extra credit. I want to get somebody together and have an extracurricular activity. I want to go the extra mile with my extra day tomorrow.
I love that from Motivation Monday. Pete Blank, appreciate that.
Thanks, buddy.
Appreciate the gum. Are you
there you go,
leaving the gum?
No,
All right. Thank you so much. We'll be right back.